So, you all are ready for rapid fire round?
Yes.
Done? Okay. I'm not burdening you all. I'll just ask you all only 2 questions. 2 questions for each person. Okay? Ready?
Yes.
2 questions मतलब बताइए tricky आस्ता है plus तरह. Okay? So Mary Jo, I'll start with you. Assume that you're in 90s. Sing in that way. Any of your song. Just 4 lines. Assume that you're in your 90s now.
My 90s.
You're in your 90s.
Oh my god.
Okay? 3, 2, 1, start.
Okay. Oh, don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. She said I'm holding back.
Alright. Okay. Next question. Cook your favorite dish in your singing style.
Cook my favorite dish. Like you want me to say how I would cook it. Okay.
I know you're
Why everything should
I
be
know
singing?
you're well versed
Why
with
should
cooking.
everything be singing? Okay, my favorite dish. I think my favorite dish would be singing style.
Come on. Which is the dish you're gonna cook and sing?
Okay, I'm gonna cook for you arroz. Okay.
Arroz. Wow.
So first I'm gonna put some oil and heat the vessel. Okay. And then I'm gonna put some onions inside and bagar them. And then put some spices, which I don't want to tell, obviously.
Done?
Then la 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 la.
Then this is the arroz is ready. Alright. Moving on to Kevin. Propose Mary Jo in Shah Rukh Khan style.
Hey, Mary Jo. Hey, मैं तुमसे बहुत प्यार करता हूँ मेरी जो. मेरी जो, किसका है ये तुमको इंतजार? मैं I love you, Mary Jo.
Okay. I know you have done advertisement or something.
Yeah.
So you need to write a matrimonial ad for her.
Okay. Mary Jo, height 5.7, gorgeous looking. Okay, a suitable male who is rich and who has a lot of business with him. Okay, this is the girl you're looking out for, and she knows everything. She can entertain you with cooking, with singing, with a style, and everyday entertainment. Okay, so this is Mary Jo DeMello.
Thank you guys for playing this rapid fire very well. Thank you so much. And now we are moving on to our final round, that is Flip the Cup. Are you all ready for it?
Yes,
Let's go.
definitely.